Hi guys and welcome to JTech WP. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to create a sticky transparent header using Elementor with a logo on the left and a menu on the right. Let's go! The first thing we're going to do to make our lives a bit easier is install a plugin. What this does is it gives us a little bit more functionality. So go to plugins, add new, and I'm going to search for sticky header effects for Elementor. And this is the one you're looking for. Install now. This will just mean that when we start scrolling we can add things like transparent backgrounds to our menu systems and it will save us a bit of time. I activate it. At the moment our site has a header like this. This is the standard Hello theme header, so I've got my logo and my menus. What I want to do now is have this image here behind this menu, so it's like underneath with the menu overlapping. So to do that, we're going to go to Templates, Theme Builder. We're going to add new. We're going to select Header. I'm going to call it Header. Create Template. And you can choose any of the styles just for ease of use. I'll go for this one on the right. Okay, so it's imported our header. Our menu is here. Our logo is here. And what we're going to do now is click on the section, go Advanced, Motion Effects, Sticky, we're going to set that to top. We're going to press Publish, Add Condition. This is going to apply it to all our pages. Save and close. Now, if I go and open it in here, I refresh it on the front end of the site. Okay, so we've got a sticky header. But what we want to do now is set a negative margin. So we could try around about, I would go for margin top, type in -90, uncheck the chain because we don't want a margin at the bottom, set a margin of -90 at the top, update, and what this should do is when we refresh it, it's pull the image upwards. Okay, so our image just moved up. What I want to do now is on the style, remove our background color, so clear that altogether. We set the opacity to 0, press update, and when I refresh it now we should see that our menu is over the image. Okay, so that's it. You can see our logo's there, our menu's here, but there's a little bit of a problem. You can see there's a white bar at the top, so that tells me that I need to go and add more negative margin. So let's try -100. Press update. This is a little bit of trial and error depending on the height of your header. Go back to the front end, refresh it. Alright, so we now have transparent header, but you see the problem now is it's quite hard to read. So to fix that we can go into sticky header effects, enable. You can enable it on desktop, tablet and mobile. If you want to remove one, you can click the X, or if you want to re-add it, you can press mobile. And you can set a scroll distance, so 60 pixels, and then you can have the background fade in. So what I'm going to do is go transparent header. That's what we want. We want it to be faint, and then I want a background, so when it scrolls, it changes colour. So I'm going to try like a light sort of, we'll try a between a grey and a black. Press update, refresh our page. So when it scrolls, okay, so it goes solid. We can adjust the opacity or the colour. So I think that's a bit too aggressive, so I'll go for something like maybe 50%. Update, refresh. And you can see now it's a bit clearer. So you could change your colours in your menu to your liking. So maybe we'll try a white, see how that looks. So click on the menu, go to style, text color, we'll try a white because that might stand out more. Press updates. It's up to you to play around with it to see what's going to work best for what you're doing, but these are the basics of how to do it. And that's it. You just learned how to make a transparent background for your menus, which you can apply to multiple pages. Well guys, that's how to make sticky transparent headers. I've got more tutorials in the links above. Don't forget to like and subscribe and check out my other videos. Thanks for watching.